Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is a little bit of a different video. It's a video I wasn't particularly thinking I'm going to be doing today about motorhoming. So this morning I was doing an introduction to today and what we're kind of doing with a motorhome today. And then Isa, who's our 6-year-old daughter, came along, took the phone off me, took the selfie stick off me, wanted to know what it was, and did her own introduction. Now, I'll put that on out later, but okay, for some of you that might seem a little bit, that's fine, you know, that's what kids do, but not Isa. Isa has some quite severe speech problems, word retrieval, which means she can use a word 1 minute, 5 minutes later, she can't remember the word because she's got lost in the filing system in her brain. So for her to do a sentence, she has to work a lot harder than most. She has some other little development issues as well. She generally hates the camera. You cannot take a photo of her. Videos, really no chance. And she's been watching some little YouTube videos, as a lot of kids do. We kind of limit the kind of things that she watches. You know, for us, it's got to be a little bit more inspirational, motivational, kind of educational kind of YouTube stuff that she watches. So I guess you see me doing this morning. She's took the camera off me and she's gone and done her own little introduction, which I'm going to put onto the main thing. So I'll just show you now her introduction. You know you can talk.
Hello.
Hello everybody.
Speak.
Hello everybody. So today we're going to look at the motorhome stuff again. What are we going to do, Isa?
We're gonna paint the We're going to paint the motorhome inside a little bit, and then we're going to come inside and play a little bit, and Mum is going to get changed and paint the motorhome again.
Say bye.
Bye.
As I say, I mean, for most, that's probably just a normal thing that kids do. But for us, seeing her do that, I mean, she took the phone off me. I can't remember what time it was this morning, but she then had my phone for the next 4 hours. I couldn't get it off her. She was walking around the house, just talking to the phone. Literally no kind of speech problems at all, just talking to the phone. She knows she's talking to people, or she thinks she's talking to people, because she's explaining things and introducing things. But just a simple thing of seeing me do this YouTube video this morning, and wow. Now, we do homeschool, and that's one of the reasons we took Isa out of school, because the school just didn't get her. They weren't even prepared to try and get her. So we took kind of situation into our own hands, took her out of school to kind of do things a little bit a different way. And who'd have thought a kid who hates a camera watches a YouTube video, watches her dad do something like that, and then she's walking around the house. I can't get my bloody phone off her because she's walking around the house doing YouTube videos, or you know, doing videos that she wants to do on her own YouTube channel. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, back to the motorhome videos. Thanks.